Hey Nash, what should we make?
I've been liking the fried rice fusions we've been making. Let's try making a chicken bacon ranch fried rice.
All right, let's make a cheesy chicken bacon ranch fried rice. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we like to make fusions and we like to use our new wok. Today we're gonna make a cheesy chicken bacon ranch fried rice. I don't have a whole lot to say about it because I think we just made it up, but without further ado, let's go. First thing we're gonna do is cook some bacon. There's a lot of different ways to cook bacon. One of my favorite ways to do it is on a rack in a sheet pan and then cook it in the oven. I like it this way because it drains off most of the excess fat and it keeps your bacon pieces nice and flat. You can also cook them in a pan or however you want. If you do it this way, however, I do recommend lining the pan with foil first, and then that's gonna make cleanup a lot easier. So once we get our guys all lined up on there, then this goes in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. So then we need the chicken component. So we get out some chicken thighs. Honestly, you probably only need one for this recipe, but I just happen to have 3 that probably need to be cooked. So that's what we're doing. Could you use chicken breasts? Sure, if that's what you got. But you know we love thighs. More flavor, more fat, just a better piece of meat. So to season these guys, normally I do like a pretty standard salt, pepper, garlic, but for these guys, since we're doing chicken bacon ranch, we're gonna do some ranch and some black pepper. Make sure and get both sides. Then with a hot pan on medium heat, we add a little bit of oil and some butter. Let that melt. Then you add in the chicken, presentation side down, so the prettier side. And just like usual, we don't want to crowd the pan. So if for whatever reason you're making a ton and you got more than a few chicken thighs, then I guess cook them in batches. We want to go ahead and cook these guys until they have a nice golden brown sear on both sides and are cooked all the way through. So for chicken, we want 165. There's the carryover cook. So if you pull them at 155, they should be good. However, if you're using thighs, they can handle a little bit more heat. So if you want to take them all the way up to 165, 170, go for it. It'll probably take 5 or so minutes per side, but for now, we'll just let these guys go. And once you have a nice golden brown crust, we can go ahead and flip these guys. Then once your chicken's up to temp, we go ahead and kill the heat and pull our guys out of the pan. And now it's time to chop. So we dice 1 shallot, a few green onions, and then separate the whites from the greens, add the whites to your shallots, and separate the greens. And then we dice 1 pepper. You can do more if you want, totally up to you. And we add those to the greens of our green onions. And then we add a few minced or pressed cloves of garlic to that shallot and the whites of the green onions mixture. Oh geez, come on. No need for that, no need for violence. And we just go ahead and take our bacon and dice this up. And we dice our chicken up as well. Then with a hot wok on high heat, we go ahead and season our wok. Then we add just a little bit more oil and we throw in our shallots, the whites of our green onions, and our garlic. Get those cooking. Then we add in 1 egg and 2 egg yolks. Let that cook. And then we break it up. Then we add about 2 cups of day-old rice. Push that down, break up any clumps. Then we add a little bit of soy sauce. And then we add in our chicken and our bacon. About a tablespoon of ranch seasoning. Some of that pixie dust. Some Parmesan cheese. And you can use the crappy stuff for this. And then a little bit of that American cheese powder. Feel free to use the regular stuff if you want, but we're trying not to add extra moisture to this, so. Then we add the greens of our green onions and the peppers and a little bit of toasted sesame oil. Give that 1 more toss. Kill the heat and we're ready to plate. Then we got our guy here. And we'll just go ahead and boom. Oh, look at that. It looks beautiful. You're beautiful to me. And there's our fried rice, boom. And there we have our slightly unorthodox cheesy chicken bacon ranch fried rice. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. The flavor is all cheesy chicken bacon ranch. The texture is all legit egg fried rice. It's freaking delicious. Go try it out of 10. That's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I just learned that there were only 26 episodes of the original Scooby-Doo, so I've had more screen time than Scooby.
Well, check it out. We made this cheesy chicken bacon ranch fried rice you wanted. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, this one is good. It's like a cheesy bacon ranch chicken laid some eggs and we made it into fried rice.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together.
Nash approves. I approve. Another great fusion dish. Go make it. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. And if you enjoyed the video, go hit the like button. And if you want to watch more of our cool videos, go check them out somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.